Hey, good afternoon, parents. My name is Mr. Boonstra, and I am the general physics teacher of your son or daughter. I just wanted to say hello and give you a little bit of background as to where we have come this term and where we are headed in our distance learning of Chapter 4 in general physics. So we started out with studying of electrostatics, then we moved into electric current, and right now, currently, we are learning about electric circuits, different types of circuits, finishing up with parallel circuits, like the circuits that are found in your home and at school and things like that. To this Thursday, we will be testing on that chapter. And then we have one more small unit on electricity next week, dealing with inducing voltage, creating electricity with a generator, using electricity with an electric motor, changing voltages in a transformer, like the big plugs that you might have on some of our electrical devices, laptops and things like that. How electricity is transmitted from power company to your home, and some more practical things of that nature. After that, we're going to have a short unit on solar energy, taking the sun's energy and converting that to electricity. And then after that, we'll have at least a week, maybe a little longer, on simple waves, different principles and properties of waves. Then we're going to break it down into some examples of waves, most specifically with sound, and we may get into light a little bit too before we wrap things up in the first week of June. So it's hopefully your sons and daughters are staying connected a little bit. I'm trying to do some things to get them connected, but it's been hard to find out the best way to stay connected with them. One thing, if they haven't shared with you, I'm encouraging them to take a quick video, 10-15 second video on what their plans are for next year, and they can look at other people's videos if they're going to be taking a gap year and they're going to earn some money for post-secondary, if they're going to join the service, if they're going to go to a 2-year school or a 4-year school, to take a picture, maybe wear something that's indicative of what they're going to do if they're going to a college or something like that, and just be proud about what they're going to do, and we can all take a look at that and stay a little bit connected that way. So encourage them to do that if they haven't. I've only got like 6 students to do it. It just started this last Thursday, but that would be a great opportunity, and I'd love to see what their plans are, since I don't get to see them face to face. So hope you're doing well, and keep your kids motivated. It's tough, but hopefully they're getting into a groove and finding some time for themselves, and certainly time with the family, with everyone having to be home. So hope you're doing well, and feel free to reach out to me if you have any specific questions. I will be reaching out to some of you too to set up a video conference if you would like that format. Thank you.